Another dua we should make, allahumma barik lana fihi warzuqna khairan minhu. And this especially we should make after eating, that Ya Allah, bless us in this and provide us better than it. So there is no harm in seeking what is better. Allah is able to give you what is better than what He has given you now. Another dua we should make, Allahumma lakal hamdu kullu. O Allah, all praise is for you. Allahumma la qabida lima basatta. O Allah, there is no one who can restrict what you can expand. And if you make something abundant for me, then no one can limit that abundance. No one can restrict that. وَلَا مُقَرِّبَ لِمَا بَاعَدْتَ. No one can bring near what you put far. وَلَا مُبَاعِدَ لِمَا قَرَّبْتَ. No one can take far what you bring close. Because sometimes we think that it's because of certain individuals, right? That we have money or we don't have money. Sometimes there's another person at workplace, they get the promotion that you were seeking. So you think that they are the problem. So no, if Allah has written something for you, then no one can bring close what Allah puts far. No one can put far what Allah brings close. Sometimes you go to the grocery store, you're standing, in a very civilized way waiting for your turn, but before you get to the fruit stall, the watermelon that you had your eyes on is gone. Somebody else took it. Now you're looking at their cart constantly. Oh, they took what I wanted. No, that was not written for you. It was not decreed for you. No one can put far what Allah brings near, and no one can bring near what Allah puts far from you. So don't look at the creation. Don't blame them. Put your hope and your trust in Allah. وَلَا مُعْطِيَ لِمَا مَنَعْتَ وَلَا مَانِعَ لِمَا أَعْطَيْتَ. None can give what you withhold, and none can withhold what you give. اللهم ابسط علينا من بركاتك ورحمتك وفضلك ورزقك. O Allah, expand to us from your blessings and your mercy and your favor and your provision. And you expand these for us. You give us a lot of your blessings. You bestow on us a lot of your mercy, a lot of your favors, a lot of your sustenance. Allahumma inni as'aluka an-na'im al-muqim. O Allah, I ask you for permanent bliss, for permanent enjoyment. Alladhi la yahulu wa la yazulu, which does not change, nor does it go away. It does not decline. You're asking Allah over here for permanent joy, which is the joy of paradise. Because the enjoyment of this world, it eventually comes to an end. But the enjoyment of the hereafter, that will never come to an end. Allahumma inni as'aluka an-na'ima yawm al-'aylati wal-amna yawm al-harb. O Allah, I ask you for your favor, for blessings, for happiness, for joy on the day of poverty. And the day of utter poverty is also the day of judgment, because there money will not help. So you're asking Allah for richness on that day, for blessings on that day, for security on the day of war. Meaning, in the world, when there is war or there's fear, Ya Allah, you grant us security then. Allahumma a'idhan bika min su'im ma a'taytana wa sharri ma mana'ta minna. O Allah, we seek refuge in you from the evil of what you have given us and the evil of what you have prevented from us. Subhanallah. Sometimes there are certain blessings that we have been given, but there's certain evil attached with them. So we shouldn't just be eager to have more sustenance. We should be eager that it should be good for us. And anything evil or harmful or dangerous that is with it, we should ask Allah to protect us from that.